Manufacturers of all types of rolling shutter, main gates, road barrier, and cast iron lamp posts and chair legs. With 15 years of experience and a strong technical support team, expert fabricators, we done works for most of the big corporates and engineering companies, warehouse industries, residents across South India. Associated Steel Trading Company is one of the leading companies in manufacturing easy brand rolling shutters and gates. Our company was started in the year 1992, and we are dealing and fabricating specially with building grills of all designs in MS, cast iron, aluminum, and products like gate balcony grills, spiral staircase, and also we are specialized in rolling shutter for commercial, industrial shutter and car carriages with imported and Indian automation and remote control. We are the leading manufacturer of automatic rolling shutters and gates to most of the reputed companies and industries. Our specialties are motorized, manual rolling shutters, automatic, manual gates, automatic boom barrier, cast iron grills and gates, cast iron garden chairs and lamp posts, MS windows grills for apartments, for MNCs, gate fabricating industrial high-speed doors imported, industrial high-speed roller shutters for sound and heat-proof garage doors.